Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Life of A Rose. I'm Amanda Rose, but you can call me Rosie. Today I'm going to just upload this really quick video of a crockpot recipe. I recently moved from New Jersey to Virginia, and up north I didn't really know much about crockpots. I just cooked the old-fashioned way. I moved down here and everyone and their mamas has one. People were making fun of me for not having one, and I was like, I have to get my hands on one. So luckily, everyone here is just so nice and gracious, and my downstairs neighbor slash best friend here got me one for my birthday. And along with that, she gave me a whole binder of recipes to use. Like, praise God, she's amazing. And so, yeah, I immediately got on it and started using it, and I just wanted to share one of her recipes with my own little twist. I think I have my own twist in it. So it's like a chicken enchilada taco soup. Super simple. Again, in the crock pot, everything is so simple. You just throw it all in there. It does the cooking. You come back, you open it, and you're like, oh, ready to eat. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to share that with you all today. I hope you enjoy it, and this is the start to my crockpot series. I will have a whole playlist of crockpot mama recipes and just, you know, just showing you how simple it is, and giving you different ideas to have for dinner for your family. Breaking bread is so important, and like, I mean, who doesn't like to eat, right? So I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, because there will be more crockpot recipes along with just lifestyle, faith, and all of that to come. Alright, so here we go. I had already cut up some chicken breasts and greased the crock pot and added my seasonings. So here they are. I used 2 packets of Goya Sazon. You have to. Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. Some pink Himalayan sea salt. Turmeric, just a pinch. Black pepper. And there we go. So it's already seasoned. Just gotta mix it around. And these are the ingredients that I'm adding. I have some canned corn, black beans, which I actually don't need seasoning for. And then I just added this chunky medium salsa that already had the onions and peppers and chunky tomato in it, so that was great and convenient. And just layering it again after mixing it all together. So here I'm actually going to do something that one of my great friends taught me, which was just taking the remainder of any sauces in a jar and adding some water to it, shaking it up, and then adding it to your meal. One, just to keep it moist, and then just to get the rest of the sauce from the jar. So I was making a soup here. I needed the water anyways, and I just always use that trick. Shout out to you, Natalie. Love you. And we're ready to go. So quick, so easy. All I have to do is just set my heat and time. So here I decided to do 6 hours and 30 minutes. I always do a little extra. I add that 30 minutes just to be safe. But you can always stop it before then. And I set it on a high. And once everything was heated up, I added a scoop of cream cheese. And here's the finished product. We have some chicken that was so tender I was able to shred up. And then of course top it off with some shredded cheese. And let that melt in there. And I love me some cheese, so I have to mix that in there and then just add another layer on top. Because I like cheese in my bite, not just, you know, on the top, if you know what I mean. At this point, this is smelling great. And we're done. That's it. This meal actually served 8 people and there was room for seconds. None for Luna. Sorry. So that was it. See, super simple, super fun. Just throwing my own twist on things, and like along with the recipe that my friend gave me. Please try it, and if you do, let me know. Tag me in your video. I will definitely be looking up more Crockpot recipes for myself, and then hopefully filming them to show you and share with you. In other news, baby Elijah is 24 weeks today. So we are 24 weeks, we're in our 6th month, and I'm feeling extremely energetic, happy, and yeah, ready. Full on nesting mode is happening. It is in my brain at all times. I am either thinking of how to organize or clean, or I'm just naturally doing it, like my body's just doing things. And I'm so grateful for it because I wasn't very organized before this. So I'm grateful to become a mom and experience that crazy need to clean, just nesting phase. A few vlogs that I will shout out where they just do their all day clean with me videos, and I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm just watching them and getting inspiration, but who knew I would sit and just watch these videos of these women just cleaning their entire homes. Like, but seriously, it is motivation, and if you are like lacking that sense of organization and cleaning, and that's okay, try it out. Watch some of these videos and hopefully it helps you like it helped me. Again, guys, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe because we have more to come, and I just thank you so much for taking the time to watch it and just be here with me and experience this whole new journey with me. I pray that the Lord blesses you and keeps you, and I pray that if you're feeling lost right now, that you can pursue and seek him. If you're so new to the Lord and you don't really know who the Lord is, he loves you. He's your heavenly Father. He's your Abba Daddy. He loves you so much. And I will talk so much more about him. I just pray that God gives you his peace and his grace, and that you can continue to be a source of light for others in your life. Thank you all, and I will see you soon.